So this is the partial rep bench press. We have it set up with the spotter arms. I'm going to show you the setup also with the foam roller. The whole purpose of this lift is to get more weight in your hand in that horizontal push position. So we can start to overload the musculature and then do a little bit of a partial rep. That gives the central nervous system a little bit of feedback on the weight that you're able to handle in that extended position in that partial range. And hopefully over time through accessory movements and exercises, we can start to make the weight that we're doing here actually a bench press. So let me show you with the spotter arms real quick, and then I'm going to show you with the foam roller. I personally like the foam roller setup, but because we have spotter arms, I'm going to show you that version as well. So the exercise is exactly what it is, a bench press but partial range. I mentioned that I like the foam roller more than the spotter arms just because you have a singular object here for the bar to touch. Unlike the spotter arms, if you have a little bit of an uneven pull on the way down, you might hit one side first and it might throw you off getting out of the bottom end position. Now, you want to get everything set up to be about 90 degrees between your your wrist, elbow, and shoulder. So we're working on just the top end push. So when we use a foam roller to do this, you use a resistance band, hop inside the resistance band, and we just put this right against our chest like this. Put the slack off to the side of the bench here. Show you over here. And we're down the bench. And this just gives us a target here to get to. And like I said, I like this a little bit more just because it's that singular object and we can just touch and go. And we can really feel it against our chest when the bar gets down there. Same exercise, up, partial rep, and back up. 90 degrees here between my wrists, elbows, and shoulders. And you can see it's roughly, if I were to pull this down a little bit more, right on the spotter arms. And the exercise here, or the purpose here, is to really overload the musculature, get more weight in our hand, cause more muscle damage, and give us something to work up towards.